friends, and hello friends. As you see, this is our factory protection lines. This is the first protection lines, and here is the second. First step, let's we see the materials. Materials is about the plywood. As you see that L is white. L is white, not black area. So this is the E-ring certificate and the plywood. So this is why we our plywood is so expensive and for the different models, because we always do the high qualities. And as you see, all these lines is that we are preparing for the next year's plans. As you see that L white is not black, and this way is our something materials was in the stock and waiting to cut and buy the cutting machines. So you see that this is the 15 mm thickness, and here is the 18 mm thickness plywood, and also another is by the wooden and plywood. Let we see that. Okay, this is the first step is about the materials. Okay.